Hello. Brownies! Shit. Damn it! Damn it! Okay. Wait. That was a weird noise. Oh! Who lives in a pineapple under the sea? SpongeBob Square Dicks. I don't know. So, how's it going, Freddy? Spaghetti, flagged jig, cookies. Are these the fucked up cookies? Yeah. That's right! I mean business now. What you get? That's what you get, fool. Holy macaroni and toaster waffles. I'm hungry. Is there anything in the fridge? No. No. Frickin'. Ah! What about in here? Nope. Crap! Here? No. Fuck it. Well, now I'm gonna have to starve. Damn it! Shit. This fucking anus. Well, this is great. This is great. This is what I wanted to do today. This fucking turn it on. This is what I wanted my Christmas to be like. Doing nothing but jack shit. Sit here for a fucking second. Well, now what? Becky. Damn it! Shit. Of course. That's fan-fucking-tabulous. Okay. It's great. I love it when my fucking sticks fall on the fucking floor! Damn it! Shit. I'm about to go up, man! About to frickin' lose it! Shit! Fuck! Richard! God damn it! I don't know what to do! I need ideas! Here, actually, I have a great idea. Let's go outside. Maybe, I don't know, that sounds like a stupid fucking idea. Yeah, that's great, Jack. Let's go outside. What kind of shit is that? It's not a good idea at all. That sucks. Should we go outside? Should we go outside? I don't know. I don't know. It's rainy and it's stupid. It's kind of warm out, though. Winter hasn't even frickin' started yet, ladies and gents. We're just getting right in the shit. It's just the frickin' start. You've never been here before. This is the side of our house. With a shitty chair. And there's a light up there. But that's it. That's all you get. Here, let's look at the backyard. This is where all the hillbilly shit is. Barn. Chicken silo. We don't have chickens, but that's what it is. Chicken silo. Did I just say silo? That's not a fucking silo. It's something else. That is a silo. You just can't fucking... Damn it! Move! Can you see it now? No! I can't. It's right freaking there. I'm pointing right at it. It's behind the freaking... Hold on. Can you see it now, bitch? Yeah. It's right there. Now the fan's blocking the chicken coop. Oh! There's our barn. It sucks. And we have woods, too. Which is over here. It's woods. Just all woods. Probably full of spider webs and other shit. And this is not our yard, but there's corn over there, so dried up corn too. I thought they fucking harvested that. What's taking so long? God! Fuck! Shit. Fucking ass. About to shoot someone. Why is it? Shut up! It's me! Shut up! I'll kick your fucking ass! Alright? It's me, you fuck shit ass. Oh my god! About to frickin' lose it! Dear God, what the shit? What the shit? It's me! Quit your fucking barking! Oh, fuck! Where's my phone? God damn it! I left it up frickin' stairs! Shit. Aww. Actually, you know what? You're gonna stay down here. You're gonna sit here. This fucking shit. Can't leave my frickin'... Nope, can't take my phone with me. Nope, can't frickin' do that. Yeah. We're gonna move you. I don't know why I put you there. I'm so friggin' smart. Nuggy, with my phone. I'm getting my exercise. There's no one to talk to. This is good. This is fantabulous. I'll just say, hey, no one else fucking frick me. Hey, making videos. Remember these? I dropped these on the fucking floor. Ew! Fucking gross. That's just that's unsanitary. I should probably wash my hands. Let me know if someone texts back, because I just said words. So let me know if this vibrates. Oh, it vibrated! It vibrated? What does that even mean? She finally... Look at this! Breakthrough! Skylar finally said hey instead of fucking hello. So that's great. That's fantabulous. I don't know if that's a bad thing, though. Shit. I don't know if that's a bad thing or not. Shit. I don't know what to do! I'm bored. I'm just gonna say that. That usually starts up a conversation. I'm bored. There you go. There's your fucking... There you go. That's it. That's all you get. There's nothing to do! Why did I record? I'm not thinking this through. I'm so freaking stupid. Like, oh yeah, I'm bored. Let me make another video. And then I start and I'm like, what the fuck do I do? Nothing to do! There's only one brownie left. Damn it! Fuck! Shit. That's what it is. What it is. It's what it freaking is. Shut up! Fucking... Alright, you know what? About to fucking lose it right now. Do you want to go, huh? You want to fight? Is that what you want? That's what I thought. Bark again, see what the fuck happens. See what happens! Do it. I swear to God. Do it again. Shut up. Shit. I'm about to drop my phone. That would have been fucking hilarious. That would have been fucking hilarious. Oh, fuck. Shit. Anus. Whoa! Wait, what the frick is this? Oh, okay. Yeah, you're just you know what? You better fall. You better fall down! Keep going, keep going, keep going! Come on! Push it to the limit! Let's do it! Come on! Oh, you big blob of fucking bubble gum. Come on! 2 more centimeters! Let's do it! Come on! Do it! Do it! Fucking wimp. Work out! Here's a fucking... My hair's in... Oh my God! Sit up. Oh! Why is this open? Close! God! It's so embarrassing, bro. Oh! Oh! God! That's so uncool, bro. Oh! Oh, man. It's fucking... Like, why do you have to open? That's so fucking stupid, man. Fuck! Damn it! Fuck! Pants. Shit. Don't fall! Alright! That's it. You're grounded. That's it. No phone privileges. I swear to God! Something just happened. Something just... That's what I did. I turned the light. What did I just say? I don't know! Damn it! I can't talk words no more. Turn this on. Turn this off. Turn it on. And turn this one off. Right. Wax on, wax off, boy! Where's my phone? God damn it, every time! You've gotta be, oh, for the love of God! I don't know why, but Skylar seems a little bit off today. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is, but she seems a little bit off today. I don't know why. Just something about it, my spider senses are going off, is something wrong. I don't know. It could be nothing, I could be just going insane, but something doesn't add up. Something that, like, the gravity is a little bit off today. I don't know what I don't know. Something in the atmosphere has changed the circumference of the Earth, and technically the hyperbole of the areas of the diameter of the hydrogen dioxide in the air, the atmosphere, and the ozone layer was a little messed up today, and I don't know, it's just, I don't know, you know, just something doesn't add up. Something don't add up right. I don't even know what I just said, a lot of science crap. Something in, I don't know, the dumb way of saying it is something in the ozone layer is not right. So something is wrong. But I don't know what it is, so I'm just gonna let it slide for now. Until I realize that I'm a horrible person and said something wrong that I didn't know. So, shit happens. Well, I'm gonna leave this episode here. If you enjoyed, comment, Corbin, and subscribe. So let me know, post in the comments what you think, because I don't know if this 2 videos a day thing is good, because then I'll run out of ideas quicker. But, you know, I don't know. Do you think this was good? 2 videos in a row, post down, boop, or flip. Like, screw you, your vids aren't funny, right, Kinsey? Right? I bet you, screw you, Jack, your vids aren't fucking funny. Don't do 2 vids a week, like, screw you! Bitch! I'll do what I want! But it would be nice for feedback, even if it is negative, because I don't give a shit. The bad comments just lift me higher! Right, Corbin, fuck, saying I'm high? Huh? You're just motivating me not to do drugs. That's what it is. You didn't fool me. Right. I'm gonna leave it here. Goodbye. Sayonara. Is that how you say it? Sayonara. Sandrine. What the fuck is the word? Smirganoff. That's what I'm gonna say. Smirganoff. Goodbye.